Everyday Roots Book Review. Written by Claire Goodall, the 326-page book explains the types of natural remedies and resources your ancestors may have used. You'll learn about essential oils and how to use them safely. The secret of getting household cleaners to work by knowing about acid-alkaline balance. Understanding ingredients, even those that sound intimidating. Oils, butters, and carrier oils, which ones are best for specific uses and storage and shelf life. Sourcing the best ingredients for natural products, plus more. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. The book has a lot of content. It's divided into 4 main sections that include complete instructions for preparing remedies for each condition. 1. Health conditions. Arthritis, back pain, bad breath, burns, canker sores, carpal tunnel, colds, congestion, constipation, cough, cramps, diarrhea, earaches, flu, food poisoning, gas and bloating, headaches, heartburn, hot flashes and night sweats, insomnia, itching, leg cramps, motion, sickness, nausea, psoriasis, seasonal allergies, sinus infection, snoring, toothache, UTI, weight loss. 2. Beauty conditions. Acne, acne scars, athlete's foot, chapped lips, cold sores, dandruff. Dry hair, scalp, and skin. Ingrown toenail, oily skin, poison ivy and oak, sunburn, toenail fungus, warts. 3. Beauty recipes. Bath fizzies, bath salt, body scrubs, body spray, conditioner, deodorant, face scrubs, lotion bars, masks, mouthwash, shampoo, sugar scrubs, toothpaste. 4. Household cleaning recipes. Abrasive cleaners, air fresheners, all-purpose cleaner, carpet cleaner, dish soap, drain cleaner, fabric softener, floor cleaner, glass cleaner, jewelry cleaner, laundry detergent, metal cleaner, scented baking soda, scented vinegar, shoe polish, stainless steel cleaner, toilet bowl cleaner. There are loads of pictures and simple, clear instruction. Also, almost all the recommended ingredients come from just a few sources, which is convenient. Click the link below for visit official site. Pros. A must-have guide to natural living. Easy to read. Save money and the environment. Cons. No glossary. One item that's missing from Everyday Roots is a detailed glossary. With the vast amount of herbs and recipes included, it would make it easier to flip right to the kernel of sought-after information. Hopefully, with the next update, she'll include it. Not a medical professional. Claire is not a medical doctor. But she makes that clear right on page 1. Ebook format only. For more information, click the link below.